Hey everybody. So for today's video, we're going to be looking forward to next year, specifically planning for next year and figuring out what your schedule is going to be. Now, grade 8, you're listening to this and says, hey, wait a minute, we've already registered for our high school classes. And that's correct. Feel free to turn off the video right now and go do something else. Grade 4, this also doesn't apply to you, so you can go ahead and turn off the video as well. Now, grades 5, 6, and 7, next year you're going to have a choice about what type of classes you want to take during a certain period. These are called elective classes. So when you're choosing electives, that means you get a choice. You can elect for one option or the other. So the way you go about doing this is you'll go ahead and open up your Chromebook and then go to the district webpage of nacoosasd.net, as you can see here. So once you go there, go over to the upper right-hand corner and click on Schools, and then scroll down to where it says Alexander Middle School and click right there. From here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you come up across Quick Links. Now, the first two of these are 7-8 student electives. That's for students who are this year in grades 6 and 7, or 6th grade student electives, students who this year are in 5th grade. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that'll look like. So if I'm in 5th grade, I'm going to click on 6th grade student electives, and then just briefly I'm going to say, yep, that's my email address, all right, and then you're going to do your first and last name. In my case, it is Nathan Black. So at this point, 5th graders, you're going to have a choice next year of one of two things. You can either take band with Mr. Glenzer or general music with Mrs. Pulvermacher. Choose one of those two and then hit submit, and then you're done. Now, if you are in grades 6 or 7 right now, you have a few more choices to look at. So you'll click on here and then do the same bit. Go ahead and confirm your email address. And please note what grade you're going to be in next year, 7 or 8. I'm going to go ahead and choose 7 for this. So at this point, again, go ahead and give your name. I will do that, or just pretend I just did. And then now you have a choice basically there are 4 total choices, and your choice is to have one of those 4 choices every day or to take 2 of those choices every other day. That's why there's such a long list here, because there's the combination of them. Now notice you can only click on one of these. You only can choose one answer, so you're going to go through this list to see what matches. So on the everyday, you'll have band, choir, art extensions, or physical education. Now a quick note, those who will be in grade 7 next year, art extensions is going to be video production and animation. That's what you'll be focusing on. If you're going to be in grade 8 next year, the art extensions class is going to be fabric arts. And so you'll have a chance to be making things out of fabric more. So it's a little bit different from one year to the next. So with that in mind, go through here and then choose what selection you'd like to do. If you want to have something every day, click one of those top 4 choices. Or if you want to go every other day, choose one of the other ones. Once you're done with that, hit submit and you're done. Now, just as a closing note, we sent a parent square to all of your families last week. In other words, your parents are the ones who need to go through and put in your selections for you. And so we've already started to get those in from you. However, we'd like you to do this too, because just in case something doesn't go through, that gives us the answer in 2 places, the ones that your parents gave us, as well as what you're filling out right here. So please fill this all out in the next couple of days in your advisories, get that into us, and we can get going for making next year's schedule. Thanks so much for your help, and have a great day.